Hello all. EIMS now allows us to capture the exchange details along with the registration and payment. In this example, we see that the Honda Shine has been purchased by the user, and for exchange, user has exchanged a TVS Scooty Pep, and these are the details of the vehicle and the exchange price. And the next step is the registration, where you can see that for the product which the user has purchased, that is, here it is Honda Shine. For this Honda Shine, this is the engine number and chassis number, for which the register number can be recorded once we receive the register number. And the payment screen, where we will see the payment summary. Say for example, here the invoice amount is 83,000 something, and we have this amount and this exchange amount, and the remaining is this one, and this has been paid with a two mode of payment, and we can modify the payment or add new payment as per our choice. So these are new features which has been introduced recently for EIMS. Let's see a live demo now. Let's say I am purchasing so this is the recent feature where we can add the parts of the vehicles if you want. For example, this bike has motor, battery, controller, charger, unique ID, all these things. So this app allows you to configure all these things as well. So here I'm purchasing this bike, along with the helmet and tank bag. And next is the customer details. So now you can see that all this parts numbers and all along with the warranty has been displayed in this bill, and then the helmet and what are other components we have. And the exchange, we don't have anything. Registration, there is nothing. Payment, there is nothing. And this is the amount, which is 1,23,150. So now the invoice has been saved. Now you can see that for this bike, the registration number, this is the chassis number and the motor number. Based on that, we can, once we get the register number, we can capture the register number. And next is the payment, where you can see that this is the amount, there is no exchange, and this there is into. Let's do one exchange. So this is the bike I have chosen, Pulsar, and branch Chennai, registration. So this is the registration number and the purchase here. Let's say giving us 20,000 as the exchange price. So now the exchange has been captured. So now if you go to the payment, you can see that the exchange price is deducted and remaining is 10,000, 1,03,150. This is the amount due. Now let's capture this payment. Let's say 50,000 in cash, in credit card, and the remaining 53,000. Let's do it in cash. So now we have two payment has been captured, and you can see the remaining balance is due and the status is completed. And assume that once we have the registration back, what we can do is we can click on this pencil icon and enter the register number 10. What is the new register number for this bike? That is the bike which the user has purchased. So now the registration has been saved. So now we are done with everything. So now we have the bike purchased and the exchange thing captured, and the registration has been done and the payment has been done. So now if tomorrow if you come and open this invoice, you can see that for this registration this will be the register number. If you want to change, again you can click on the pencil icon, change it. And now we can see that this bike has been purchased, that is under bike, there is a category, we have the Bajaj Pulsar. So now if we go to new invoice and bike, you can see that this is a resale. So for rest of other component there will not be any resale. This is a resale, so that means we have brought it from an it's a reused bike, hence we have this reuse resale option, and this is the bike which we exchange from here. So that's all we had for this demo. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you.